The STRICH Acoustic guitar stand FH1 uses solid walnut wood, giving it a sturdy feel and a refined look that suits living rooms, studios, and practice spaces. Its height and single-column design present the guitar like a piece of furniture, turning an ordinary instrument into a focal point rather than clutter in a corner. The padded, rotating hanger cradles different headstock shapes securely, reducing the risk of slips or scratches when you take the guitar on and off the stand. A weighted wooden base with multiple silicone pads keeps the stand from sliding or tipping easily, and it works well with a range of instruments from acoustic guitars to smaller stringed instruments. A rear hook for hanging a case, strap, or headphones makes the stand feel like a small, organized station that encourages you to pick up the guitar more often. Assembly is straightforward with only a few parts and screws, so even someone not handy can have it ready in a few minutes without frustration.